Preventing floor squeaks begins with a solid subfloor installation. Here's how. Stagger rows by alternating the first panel of each row by a full or half sheet, and use tongue and groove sheathing for full edge-to-edge support. Before installing, inspect panels, particularly at tongues and grooves which are susceptible to damage. To install, apply a polyurethane subfloor glue or gun-applied foam adhesive to the joists. Polyurethane foam has a 20-minute open time, but it's a best practice to only apply enough for 1 or 2 panels at a time to avoid skin over. On joists where panel ends meet, apply double beads and leave an 1/8 of an inch gap between panel ends when installing. Install panels with the groove exposed, and use a beater block and framing hammer to protect edges when driving tongues into grooves. To fasten, use screws that penetrate joists by at least 1 inch and drive them just below the surface. Overdriven screws will compromise fastening strength, and underdriven screws will interfere with the flooring above. Fasten a maximum of 6 inches on center along panel ends, and a maximum of 12 inches on center in the field, with all fasteners kept 3/8 of an inch from panel edges. Finally, always work from one end of the panel to the other to prevent buckling when fastening.